Hello and welcome to another episode of the Vandal Vlogs videos, aka the Scrapman Diaries, aka the man with the broken back. It's actually not doing too bad anymore. It's alright, it's getting better. Hot baths and paracetamol, done the job. Right, I'm going to jump in the back quick, show you what we got, just a quick recap from the last video, and then we're going to make our way to the scrapyard, which is just over there. Get weighed and paid, and I'll try and get some footage. I'll also ask Joe what silver plate is worth. Is it worth anything? Let's find out. It's got to be worth more than scrap, surely. Right, we have got an absolute stack in here. It's going to be difficult. I'm going to do the shearing first, but I've got a blinking washing machine in the way, and there's a tumble dryer as well. Alright, this is going to be chaos. I'm not sure how much of this you guys are going to be able to see, but I'll try and film as much as I can. I think we'll just go for shearing first. I think that'd be the best thing to do. So I need to sweep my van out. I didn't do it last time. We got all sorts in here. I'm going to say just over half a ton of shearing and 150, 200 kilos of light. Yeah, that's it really. Bit of refine and stuff. I'll see what I got anyway. I can't remember. Right, I'll get you up there somewhere. We'll get this out and get weighed and paid. Right, next. Right, it's hammer time. First shot fine. We all weighed and paid. Right, let's do this brass. We had 1 kilo, that was that tap for 36p, no, £3.60 a kilo. It's gone up slightly, £3.60. Ali, we had 7 kilos, £800 a tonne for £5.60. Arnie Ali, 23 kilos for £300 a tonne, £6.90. PVC Flex, we had 6 kilos at £1.90 a kilo. That's gone up again as well, is it? £11.40. Stainless, 1 kilo, £720 a tonne for 72 pence. Light iron with 160 kilos at £115 a tonne for £18.40p. And shearing, we had 440 kilos at £190 a tonne. That's just gone up, £83.60. Motors, we had 10 kilos at 46 pence a kilo for £4.60. Which gave us a final sum of £133.82 minus a £1 fee. That's for the that's if you want to get paid same day, just in case you're wondering. It's only £1. I mean, calm down. Yeah, right. That wasn't too shabby for a couple of hours this morning, and what I picked up on the way home yesterday. Let's go and find some more. Sweet. The dryer. I take it. I'll leave that, it looks too good. Oh, looks a bit too good for scrap. Little scrappy bits here again. That was quiet, mate, wasn't it? Sick. Don't really want a Zimmer frame, but it's quiet out here today, so I'll take it. And the way things are going, I might need one. But you guys don't want to hear about it, so I'm not going to talk about it. I'm not going to talk about my bad back. Who said my stacking's rubbish? It is. It used to be pretty good. now it's just garbage. Ah. That's where I got that silver from. It says free, so help yourself. Take some free metal. They're metal, they're not, are they? Plastic. Nice little chair. Okay. Let's bit of that. What else we got? Just a couple of little bits and bobs. Where can I put you? Cool. Nice little trinkets. Next. Couple of little crappy bits up here next to the bins. Didn't normally put stuff out here, so what we got? Just as I thought, just a bunch of rubbish. Let's get you in there, let's get you in the hole down there. Good times. Close that chopping door. How? How does it do that? Stay. Better not moan about my back, because a couple of you might moan about it. Grab a bit of light iron quick. Light iron, get it? Did you get it, guys? Did you get it? Light iron. I'll even make some noise about it. Oh, flipping heck. Can't even pick up a lampshade without waking up the neighbours. Oops. Sorry, neighbours. You can go there. You go there as well. My stacking amazing. You can go there like that. That's it really, isn't it? Oh, it smells lovely in the back of here. Don't know why. Must be that tumble jar. It smells like perfume. It smells sexual. You've got some scrappy bits here, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Let's grab it. We've got, ooh, a nice bit of lead there. What's in there? It's heavy. Nice bit of a lead. I don't know what's in the box. Shall investigate. Idiot. It's a massive Allen key there. Keep life. Cable there. Nice bit of cable there. I've actually got just some rubbish, basically. Rusty old tools, no brass. Although, what's that? It's me magnet. Slightly magnetic. Sweet. A lot more though. Who woke the dogs up? I did, as usual. Telling you, they just make it as awkward as they can. Oh, Amanda will be getting that. Let's make it really awkward. Oops. So we're just picking up smalls today. Basically what everyone else left behind, I'm guessing. Oh well. A few bits here I picked up from here a few times before. Oh, barbecue. Hello. A little barbecue, nice. It's not really, I'm just exaggerating, but you know. This looks nice and awkward. Light as a feather. Go up there and get tangled on everything. Sweet. Should be so lucky. Couple of bits and bobs here. We got some metal. I take it. Bunch of rubbish, but something. I take. Oh, I'll take a chair, not much else, so why not? There's a bin over there as well. What else you got? It's metally enough for me. Oh. That was metal. Especially today. Just get you up there so you can fall over. Wow. We need a lot more. Got some metal here. Tubs of the stuff. I take it. It's a shame they're all very old and rusty. Might be some nice trinkets in there though. You never know. Oh. Just God, they're old. Tooly. Interesting. Very interesting. That's cool. Nice little scoops there. Right, boys and girls, foxes and vixens. We're done for today. What is in here? Something Christmassy. Proper old screwdriver, that one, or drill, whatever it used to be. Just a bunch of short steel and rubbish, basically. Might be stainless though. Nah, iron. That's a bunch of garbage. I'll have a look when I get to the scrapyard. So yeah, I'm afraid that's it. We've got some stuff though. We've got a tumble dryer, the obligatory tumble dryer, a bunch of other metal. Not much to write home about, but we did get a lot of short steel and stuff. So I'll take small. Oh, what's that? Is that brass? That is, oh, that's a brass handle. Something, I suppose. There's got to be some good bits at the bottom there. And we've got some pots, we've got some fake brass, we've got some alley, got some stainless, some iron pots, are they? I don't know, alley. Sick. A few other bits and bobs in that. Bag of rubbish. Yeah, that's it. Oh, we got a chair as well. What do you do? A bunch of cable down there and a brake disc, I suppose. That's something. In there, I've just got bits of copper and such. Right, that's it. Right, I am done. It's over, at least for this one. So I've got a collection to do at 9 o'clock. I've got a washing machine to pick up and a couple of bicycles and that. I'll see if I can get that on camera. Probably be in the next episode. But yeah, I think that'll do it for this one. We got weighed and paid, and then we went and done a bit of street scrapping. I mean, what more do you want? I didn't even complain about my back once. Some lady was giving me grief in my comment section saying, oh, I had to turn the volume down because all you did was moan about your back. Well, you know, I guess it's the first time you've ever seen a real man in your life. Certainly sounds like it. Anyway, that is it for this one. Until the next one, be cool, be kind, or try and be. unlike some of the dickheads in my comment section. And until the next one, keep it 10. Love you guys. Let's get back out there and clean these streets up. Oh, if you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please subscribe and ring the bell. Ding, 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 ding. Because no one ever seems to bother. But, oh well. Let's go.